Hey guys, Lewis here. Today we're comparing two platforms that are often mentioned when it comes to building online communities, Kajabi and Circle. Both are powerful tools for bringing people together, but they take different approaches when it comes to community building and managing a digital business. If you're trying to decide between Kajabi and Circle, this video will walk you through their main features, pricing, and ease of use. By the end, you'll know exactly which platform suits your needs best. Now, full transparency, I personally use Kajabi because I think it's the best all-in-one platform, but that doesn't mean that it's perfect. And Circle has its own strengths too. I'll walk you through the pros and cons of both so you can make the best choice for yourself. And if you do decide that Kajabi is right for you, I've got a special 30-day free trial link, way longer than the standard 14 days, plus some exclusive bonuses, including my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates worth over $900. More on that later though. First, let's dive into the comparison. At first glance, Kajabi and Circle might seem pretty similar. They both let you connect with your audience, host discussions, and even sell digital products. However, when you look closer, the difference becomes clear. Circle focuses only on building strong community interactions. On the other hand, Kajabi tries to be an all-in-one solution for running a digital business. There's been a lot of discussion about creating communities around brands. It could be for online courses, coaching, or niche memberships. People want simple ways to bring their audience together, and it's becoming more popular to do this. And that's where Circle works really well. It's made for conversations, live events, and keeping members involved and interested. It helps brands stay connected with their people in one easy-to-use place. On the other hand, Kajabi came from a different angle. It started as a platform for hosting courses, coaching programs, and other digital content. Over time, it added more tools, including a community feature to help entrepreneurs run their entire online business in one place. In other words, Kajabi is broader and covers a lot more areas, while Circle is more focused and goes really deep into community building. So let's take a closer look at what each platform does, starting with Circle. When you visit Circle's website, the first thing you'll notice is how clean and modern it looks. Everything is designed to be simple, so it's easy to find discussions, share updates, and join group events. One of Circle's best selling points is the variety of tools it offers. You can create spaces for discussions, host events, use real-time chat, and organize content to keep your community engaged. What really makes Circle stand out is how it now includes courses as part of the community. Before, it focused mostly on discussions, but now it's grown to offer educational content and paid membership options too. It's a platform that keeps getting better. Now, let's break down Circle's pricing. The professional plan is $89 per month and gives you everything you need to build a strong community. It includes features like rich member profiles, a searchable directory, discussions, events, paid memberships, weekly digests, and even gamification. You can also use a custom domain to make it feel more personal. Plus, it comes with courses, live streams, live rooms, and unlimited members. You also get branding options, reporting and analytics, custom code snippets, conversion tracking, and migration services for payments. It's packed with tools to help you grow and manage your community easily. The business plan costs $199 per month and gives you everything in the professional plan plus more. It includes workflows, custom profile feeds, a headless member API, an admin API, branded email notifications, content copilot, automated transcriptions, and activity scores. The enterprise plan is now just $360 per month, down from $499, and gives you access to all the features with higher limits. Plus, you get priority support and dedicated services. It comes with AI agents, unlimited workflows, custom single sign-on or SSO, advanced analytics, lower transaction fees, and a sandbox community. Additionally, the plan supports up to 10 admins and 100 moderators. If you subscribe annually, you'll also get concierge onboarding, quarterly business reviews, and a dedicated customer success manager to help you every step of the way. The Plus branded app plan gives you everything you need to launch your own custom iOS and Android apps. You get the highest limits and it's built around your needs. And it includes prioritized migration services, a dedicated launch team to guide you, access to Circle's design studio, branded push notifications, and it includes prioritized migration services, a dedicated launch team to guide you, access to Circle's design studios, branded push notifications, in-app purchases, and higher limits for every feature. So if you're looking for a fully managed solution that takes care of everything, this plan is a great choice. Now, let's talk about Kajabi, the platform I've been using for years. Kajabi is great because it combines most of the tools you need to run a digital business in one place. You get tools for hosting courses, building membership sites, email marketing, creating landing pages, blogging, and more when you sign up. Over time, Kajabi noticed more people wanted community features, so they even added their own. They even bought a platform called Vibely, or Vi for short, to make their community tools better. Because of this, Kajabi's community feature keeps getting better and is now competing with platforms like Circle. Now, when it comes to pricing, Kajabi is usually more expensive than Circle, especially if you pay monthly. The Kickstarter plan costs $89 per month and is made to help businesses get started. It includes one website, one product, one community, support for 250 contacts, 7,500 marketing emails, unlimited landing pages, and access to Kajabi AI and Creator Studio. Plus, it comes with a group onboarding call to help you set everything up. The basic plan costs $149 per month and gives you more than the Kickstarter plan. It lets you have up to 3 products and manage 10,000 contacts. Plus, you get unlimited marketing emails, landing pages, Kajabi AI, Creator Studio, and a group onboarding call. It also adds third-party integrations, which means more ways to grow your business. The growth plan costs $199 per month and is their most popular choice for businesses ready to grow. It comes with one website, 15 products, 25,000 contacts, and unlimited marketing emails and landing pages. Plus, you get extras like third-party integrations, 24/7 support, affiliate programs, a custom domain, custom branding, multiple admin users, and webhooks. The Pro plan costs $399 per month and is perfect for bigger businesses that need more advanced features. It covers up to 3 websites, 100 products, and 100,000 contacts. Plus, you still get everything from the growth plan. On top of that, it comes with extra tools like webhooks, a custom code editor, and more ways to customize. If you're looking to do more than just build a community, Kajabi could be a great option. It lets you host online courses, set up coaching programs, or even run a subscription-based membership. Everything is managed in one place. Email campaigns, website design, and even creating special offers. You can also set up affiliate programs and embed your community. Now, let's talk about how each platform handles community. Circle is all about creating a place where people can share posts, leave comments, and join events. You can set up subgroups for specific interests or topics, add direct messaging, and even build a central spot for resources like a knowledge base. Circle's design makes it easy to move between conversations quickly. Members can switch between topics without any issue. Plus, you can host live streams or events right on the platform, which is perfect if you're planning regular meetups or Q&A sessions. Kajabi's community feature might not seem as fancy as Circle, but it works perfectly with Kajabi's other tools. When someone buys your course, they can automatically join the community without needing a separate account. It's all connected and simple to use. Kajabi's community includes live rooms, challenges, discussion threads, and something called community circles. These circles are like small groups or topics within the bigger community. Even though Kajabi's community feature is still pretty new, they keep improving it, especially after buying Vibely. If you're curious about how it works, you can try setting up a test community, invite a few friends or co-workers, and see what they think about the experience. It's a great way to get a feel for how it all comes together. Many people check third-party reviews to see how reliable a platform is and how happy its users are. Circle doesn't have many reviews on Trustpilot, with just a few listed. On the other hand, Kajabi has over 1,000 reviews on Trustpilot and is rated excellent. But this doesn't mean Circle is worse, it might just mean Circle gathers feedback in other ways. Still, Kajabi's large user base and strong reputation can feel more reliable if you're looking for a platform that's been used by many entrepreneurs. As someone who's been using Kajabi for years, I can say it keeps getting better. The community product has improved so much since the early days. Plus, Kajabi's support team is usually quick to help if you run into any technical problems. The choice between Kajabi and Circle depends on what you need most. Kajabi is great if you're a course creator who also runs a membership group. It brings everything together in one place, making your work easier. On the other hand, Circle works better if your focus is on daily interactions, chats, and building a strong, active community. It's also important to think about the future. Some entrepreneurs begin with a membership group, but later want to add online courses or email marketing features. If that sounds like you, Kajabi might be the better option since it already includes those tools. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. As promised, I've got something special since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. That means you'll get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. This is an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra though, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. As a thank you for using my link, you'll also get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. This is a quick program where I walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. We'll cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. These templates are worth over $900, but you'll get them all for free. The best part is that you'll get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong so you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. If you want to know more, just let me know in the comments. I'd love to share what I've learned and help you get started with setting up your online business using Kajabi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.